Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the treacherous waters of modern consumerism. Today, we've got a battle that's hotter than a resin print fresh out of the vat. On the left, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, the 12K resin 3D printer that promises to print details finer than a human hair. On the right, we've got the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, the speed demon of FDM printers. Buckle up because it's about to get nerdy. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s comes in at a wallet-screaming $559. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like buying a small island, but without the beach. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a much more wallet-friendly option at $219. You could buy two and still have cash left over for some filament and a celebratory pizza. Now, on to print quality. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s boasts a 12K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution so high you might start seeing into parallel universes. It promises an X accuracy of 19 microns. That's finer than a frog's hair, folks. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE, with its FDM technology, might not reach the same god-tier resolution, but it's no slouch. It's like comparing a high-definition TV to a really good projector. Both are great, but one just has that extra wow factor. Reviewers of the Photon Mono M5s rave about its high-quality prints, especially for miniatures, while Ender 3v3 SE users appreciate its solid quality for the price. Let's talk speed. The Photon Mono M5s claims to be 3 times faster than your average resin printer, with an average print speed of 105 millimeters per hour. That's pretty quick for resin, but the Ender 3v3 SE comes in like a cheetah on Red Bull. If you're in a rush to print your next D&D mini or that missing piece for your IKEA furniture, the Ender 3v3 SE has got your back. Reviews highlight the Photon Mono M5s as fast for a resin printer, but the Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its blazing speed. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're new to 3D printing. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is like the Tesla of resin printers, with its leveling-free technology and intelligent auto-check features. It practically prints itself. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE is no slouch either. With its CR Touch auto-leveling sensor and simple 3-step setup, you'll be printing faster than you can say, extruder. Both are user-friendly, but the Photon Mono M5s might just be a tad more hands-off. Reviewers note that although the Photon Mono M5s has a learning curve, it becomes quite user-friendly, while the Ender 3v3 SE is consistently praised for being beginner-friendly. Additional features? Oh, we've got those in spades. The Photon Mono M5s comes with an upgraded slicer software, intelligent mode, and resin detection. It's like having a little 3D printing Yoda guiding you. The Ender 3v3 SE, however, brings its own game with automatic filament loading and unloading, dual Z-axis for stability, and a power loss recovery function. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers appreciate the Photon Mono M5s's advanced features, while Ender 3v3 SE users love its practical add-ons. Reviewers generally agree that the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s offers exceptional print quality and advanced features, though it has a learning curve and resin can be tricky to handle. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its ease of use, speed, and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners despite some minor issues. So, there you have it. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. If you're looking for ultra-high resolution and a hands-off experience, go with the Photon Mono M5s. But if speed, ease of use, and affordability are your jam, the Ender 3v3 SE is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Both are amazing machines that'll make you feel like a wizard in the world of 3D printing. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop us a comment below on which 3D printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.